Aditi is there. Aditi, you switch on your video.
Okay, sir.
Where are you? Yeah.
Sir,
Aditi beta, good morning. How are you?
we will do revision or exercise.
Sir, how are you?
Good. You are in Bareilly or somewhere else?
Sorry?
You are in Bareilly or out of Bareilly?
Sir, I live in Faridpur only.
You live in Faridpur. Okay. Very good. In Faridpur, that क्या नाम है? Kshitij Agarwal is also there in Faridpur. Kshitij. No.
Sir, I don't know any Kshitij.
Okay. Class 10.
So I think you were asking for Corona.
And who है? Bhavya is there. Bhavya Tyagi. Where is your video, Bhavya? Yeah. Bhavya beta, good morning. How are you?
So fine. Good morning.
Good morning. You liked my video, Children's Day video?
Yeah. Yes, sir. It is quite very. What
Funny.
was it?
It was very funny.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You had a great laugh. And Ridhima, how are you, Ridhima?
Fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine, Ridhima. You liked the video? You laughed at it or not? You tell me this.
No, sir, it was great.
It was no, I know it was the matlab, every student must have laughed at it. I know this. It was funny looking at a teacher like this. Okay. आ गए सारे बच्चे 12 students have joined till now, only 12. Why so less?
So 13.
Now 13.
Sir, now 14.
Now 13. मेरे को गिन के क्यों बता रहा है? मेरे
Yes, sir, now.
Oh yes, sir. I was counting you too also.
उत्कर्ष तेरा भाई कैसा है?
सर अच्छा है.
पढ़ाई
सर
वढ़ाई
गंदा है.
गंदा है, पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा है?
सर करते हैं. सर थोड़ी बहुत.
थोड़ी बहुत.
क्लास के अलावा.
अच्छा. Okay, 14 have joined. So I am in the last class I told you that I will make small changes in that question to make it a correct one. वो जो 3-digit number वाला जो question मैंने दिया था, there was a mistake in that question. So I have corrected it, and now I want you all to note down the question in your copies.
Sir, please wait, sir. I forgot to take the copy. Only 12 seconds.
Pranjal is a new student. Pranjal, मैंने आज तक तुम्हारी शक्ल नहीं देखी. Pranjal, can you switch on your video? Pranjal Gupta, can you switch on your video? I have not seen your face till now. You are a new student. I want to see your face. मतलब मेरे दिमाग में एक इमेज बननी चाहिए कि प्रांजल लड़का जब मैं नाम सुनूं दिमाग में एक फेस आना चाहिए. Can I see your video for that? As you all can see, my video is always on. My video is on. You all can see me.
Sir, only your hand.
मैथ्स टीचर का यही फायदा है, बिना शक्ल दिखाए काम चल जाता है। तो बाकी इंग्लिश टीचर्स और ऐसे साइंस टीचर्स, एसएसटी टीचर्स, इन सबको फेस टू फेस कैमरा के सामने रहना पड़ता होगा। एम आई राइट और नॉट? बाकी सारे टीचर्स अपना फेस दिखा के पढ़ाते हैं।
यस सर।
क्योंकि उन्हें बोर्ड
Yes,
तो
sir.
यूज करना नहीं है। आई हैव टू यूज द
सर
बोर्ड।
हर टीचर को देखा है आपको छोड़ के।
बस मुझे छोड़ के सबको देख लिया।
यस सर।
मुझे भी देखा होगा पीछे से।
हाँ यस सर, यस सर। सर आगे से भी देखा मुंह आपका एक बार।
हाँ, वो अभी देख लिया 14th को। Okay, so note down the question, all of you. I don't think now any more students are going to join. Yeah, so note down the question. In a 3-digit number, the tens place digit in a 3-digit number, the tens place digit is the tens place digit is the tens place digit is as much greater is as much greater is as much greater than the hundreds place digit is as much greater than the hundreds place digit the tens place digit is as much greater than the hundreds place digit as it is than the hundreds place digit as it is than the hundreds place digit as it is smaller than the as it is smaller than the ones place digit smaller than the ones place digit smaller than the ones place digit full stop smaller than the ones place digit full stop. The digit at the tens place is 3. The digit at the tens place is 3. जो tens place पर जो digit है वो आपको given है 3. 3 is there at the tens place digit. Tens place. The digit 3 is there at the tens place. Okay. So the digit at the tens place is 3. Full stop. If full stop के बाद लिखिए if 396 if 396 is added to the number is added to the number is added to the number the order of the digits is reversed. If 396 is added to the number the order of the digits is reversed. The order of the digits is reversed. Full stop. फुल स्टॉप। मिश्रा जी सॉल्व करके बताना है। फुल स्टॉप। फाइंड द नंबर। तुक्का मार के नहीं बताना आंसर।
सर मैंने ऐसे ही बता दी।
समझ गया था मैं। Find the number. Okay. Start doing it now. Do you want me to explain anything in this?
No sir, we are doing.
Yeah. Anyone? Two more students have joined just now. May I know the names? Chaitanya, can you switch on your video? Chaitanya Agarwal. And you have joined late.
Sir, I can't open my video because it is showing that your camera is not launched properly. Please check browser media permission settings.
Okay. So you are using it from a laptop or you are using it from a mobile? Mobile phone or laptop?
Excuse me, sir, I will not be able to open up my camera because it consumes a lot of data.
Okay. Who else has joined? Chaitanya.
Sir, I am using from laptop.
Okay. So you all have written the question?
Please, sir, please repeat the question.
Beta, can you, anyone of you can show the question on your screen with the help of your notebook? Can you show it on the screen?
Sir, I am on laptop.
Bhavya is there. Bhavya Tyagi, your writing is good. Can you show it on the screen, Bhavya?
Yes, sir, but I'm not using laptop.
No, beta, just put it in front of your camera, your copy. Put your copy in, switch on your camera and put your copy in front of the camera.
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to open up my camera.
So you're not able to open up the camera. Payal, can you do it?
So the answer is 1 only.
Payal, it is not visible, Payal. Yeah, you can see Payal's screen. Those who have not written the question. Payal is showing the question on her screen.
Sir, I can't see. I can see only you.
Beta, you search for Payal's name and double tap on her name on her screen. Payal Gangwar. Search for her name
Okay, sir.
and just double tap. You can see her on full screen. You will be able to see her on full screen. Okay, I'm able to see Payal's notebook. Yeah. I can see the question. Okay. Or if if you're facing any problem, you can watch the recorded video afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to explain the question. How many of you have done it?
So I have
Hello.
gone to the last but not getting the answer.
Yeah. Anyone giving the answer with the proper methods?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, sir, Chaitanya is not seeing you, not able to see the video. What I can do to
Ma'am, you can
remove
just right click on the screen, and then just select the option remove pin.
remove pin?
Yes.
Sir, I am trying.
राइट
Our
क्लिक
mouse.
फाइल की स्क्रीन पे आप जाइए, उस पर राइट क्लिक करके रिमूव पिन
The
सेलेक्ट.
mouse is not working. Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
our mouse is not working.
Mouse is not working.
Yeah.
Mouse is not working. Then you can watch the recorded video of this class later on. I don't know what is the problem with the mouse. You can try watching the recorded video afterwards of this class. Okay, Payal, thank you, beta. You have shared your screen. Everyone, I think all of the students must have noted the question now. Thank you, Payal.
Alright.
Okay, so I'm going to discuss the question now, all of you. Yeah. So there is a number, which is a 3-digit number, and it is given that the digit at the hundreds place is as much smaller than the tens place digit as it is greater than the, sorry, the digit at the tens place is as much greater than the hundreds place digit as it is smaller than the ones place digit. This is given. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको दिया हुआ है tens place पर the digit is 3. So this is the number 3-digit number. बीच में जो digit है वो 3 है. Okay, the digit which is at the tens place, it is given that the digit is 3. Now this digit is greater than the hundreds place digit and smaller than the ones place digit. और जितना ये hundreds place वाली से बड़ी है, उतना ही ones place वाली से छोटी है. So let us assume that the digit at the hundreds place is 3 minus x, and the digit at the ones place will be 3 plus x. So this will be a number. This is the digit at hundreds place. This is your
Sir, got the answer.
This is your hundreds place digit. This is tens place digit, and this is your ones place digit. Okay, this is the digit at the ones place. So the
Sir, what we are supposed as x in this?
x यहाँ पर क्या है? What is x? x यहाँ पर डिफरेंस है इन दोनों के बीच का. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैंने आपको बताया कि 5 इज द नंबर, जो बीच में जो
Sir,
डिजिट मान लो 5 है. अब 5 में से मैं अगर 3 माइनस करता हूँ तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 2 आएगा. ओके, 5 माइनस 3, तो ये मान लो इन दोनों के बीच का जो गैप है वो 3 है और यहाँ पर आएगा 8. मान लो यहाँ पर व्हाट इज द गैप? द गैप इज 3. अगेन द गैप इज 3. ओके, सो हाउ विल आई गेट दिस डिजिट? ये डिजिट मुझे कैसे मिलेगा? अगर मैं 5 में से 3 माइनस करूंगा, इफ आई सब्ट्रैक्ट 3 from 5, I will get this digit. And if I add 3, I will get this digit. तो जितना ये हंड्रेड्स प्लेस वाली से जितना बड़ा है उतना ही वंस प्लेस वाली से छोटा है. तो इसमें से
Okay, sir. Understood.
तो ये डिजिट मिल जाएगा और उसमें 3 ऐड करेंगे तो ये वाला डिजिट मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो x क्या है
Okay,
यहाँ
sir.
पर? x इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू डिजिट. हंड्रेड्स प्लेस डिजिट और टेंस प्लेस वाली डिजिट का बीच का जो गैप है दैट इज x. हियर आल्सो द गैप इज x. तो दोनों जगह गैप बराबर है. यहाँ पर जितना गैप है उतना ही गैप यहाँ पर है. द डिफरेंस इज सेम. ओके, गॉट इट और नॉट? द डिफरेंस इज x. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is the digit
Yes,
at
sir.
ones place. This is the digit at tens place, and this is the digit at ones place. What is the number?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, can I just because your video is stopping and audio is cracking.
Beta, there is some network problem at your end, I think, because I am also not able to hear you properly.
Sir, I got the answer. Please tell it is correct or wrong.
What is your answer?
X is equal to 2 and the number is 135.
Yes, correct answer. So, hundreds place digit
Sir,
is.
I am saying that can I leave the meeting and rejoin because your voice is cracking
Yes.
and video is stopped.
Yes, you can see the recording. Or you can try rejoining. Original number is 100 into 3 minus x. The digit which is at the hundreds place उसको आप 100 से multiply कर देंगे. Plus 10 into 3. The digit at the tens place you have to multiply it by 10. And finally add the tens ones place digit 3 plus x. So this is the digit at ones place. So this is your original number. Now the new number is obtained by reversing the order. Reverse the order of the digits, यानी कि 3 minus x आपका ones place पे चला जाएगा और 3 plus x hundreds place पे आ जाएगा. So 100 into 3 plus x plus tens place पे same digit रहेगा आपका 3. Tens place पे 3 है तो tens place वाला digit same position पे रहता है. सिर्फ hundreds place वाला और ones place वाले की position interchange हो जाती है. Plus 3 minus x चला गया ones place पर. Okay, so this is the new number. Now how we are obtaining the new number? If we add 396 in the original number, you will get the new number. So 100 into 3 minus x plus 10 into 3 plus 3 plus x plus now I am going to add 396 in the number and I will get the new number. This is the new number. 100 into 3 plus x plus 10 into 3 plus 3 minus x plus 3 minus x. So this is the final equation. Now you can solve the equation. ये 10 into 3 is 30. ये दोनों साइड से कट जाएगा. 10 into 3 मैंने काट दिए दोनों तरफ से. Okay. Now open the brackets. 300 minus 100x plus 3 plus x plus 396 is equal to 300 plus 100x plus 3 minus x. दोनों साइड से अभी और देखिए क्या क्या कैंसिल हो रहा है. 300 and 300 cancel हो गया. This plus 3 and plus 3 also you can cancel. Minus 100x and plus x, ये हो गया minus 99x plus 396 equals to, यहाँ पर बचा 100x minus x यानी कि 99x. 99x और 99x काटना नहीं है यहाँ पर because this is minus 99x and this is plus 99x. You cannot cancel. So 396 is equal to 198x. So when you solve this, you get x equals to, what is the value of x? You get x equal to 2. The value of x is 2. This is the value of x. Now when you put the value of x here in the number, put x equals to 2 in the number, you will get 136 as the, sorry, 135 as the number. Answer is 135.
Okay, sir. Sir, will this type of questions be coming in exams?
No, beta, it will not come in exam. It is just for your practice. This question is given to you only because you are students of section C. आप लोग C section के students हैं, इसलिए आपको दिया गया है पहली बार. Second thing, it is to make you feel that the questions which are given in the book are easy. Only because of this reason, this question is given. It will not come in exam. I know that this is a little difficult for you all. So this is just for your practice.
Okay, sir.
And it was a QRT. Done the question, all of you?
Yes.
You ready for the next question, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am going to share my screen for the next question. Be ready. Yes, you can see the question on my screen. Note down the question in your copies. Yes, done the question, all of you? Doing or done?
Sir, doing. Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
Done the question?
Sir,
Okay. Done the question?
yes, sir. The answer is 30 days.
30 days.
Sir,
Yes,
the
sir.
answer
Answer is 30 days.
Okay, so first of all, tell me what type of variation is there?
Inverse
Sir, inverse
variation.
variation.
Yes, correct. The variation is inverse. Very good. Now the question is, what is the question? I lost the question. I lost the question. Where it is? Here it is. Yeah. In a hostel, 75 students had food provision for 24 days. If 15 students leave the hostel, For how many days would the food provision last? 75 students के लिए खाना है 24 days का. 15 बच्चे चले गए. Now how many students are left? 60 students are left in the hostel. अब now number of students are less, तो खाना जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा या ज्यादा दिन बाद खत्म होगा? Obviously it will last for more days. Okay, if the number of students are less, then the food will last for more days. That means inverse variation is there. In case of inverse variation, what is the method of doing the question? You have to first multiply and then divide. So I hope you all have done the question. What is the answer?
30 days.
30 days.
Any help in required in solving the question? Do you want me to help you in solving the question? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What the question is? 75 students are finishing, can have this food for 24 days. 24 days mein they can have this food, and if there is one student, then it will take 24 multiplied by 75, these many days to finish the food. And if there are 60 students left, because 15 students have left the hostel, 15 बच्चे चले गए, 15 students have left, so that means 75 minus 15 is equal to 60. There are 60 students left in the hostel. So if there are 60 students, they will finish the food in 24 into 75 divided by 60. इसको solve कर लीजिए, you will get the answer 30 days. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
30 days
Yes,
is
sir.
the
Yes,
answer.
sir.